Today we will be going down the series of our bird book series and make the flamingo. And did you know that flamingos are actually born gray, but the high saline in their food actually turns them pink? You should probably fact check me on that. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I ran out of pink, so I'm using red, which is probably the closest shade to pink that I have right now. And basically, you're gonna do the same thing in the start that we did for the goose. So, and yeah, flamingo does look like a goose. So, yeah, you're just gonna fold in half on the white side, or on any side if you don't have colored, or if you have double-sided. And then this way in half, and just make a little crease to the center. And then fold this corner from this corner so that this corner hits this crease. And then fold the other edge to that edge. And then fold the edges to that crease again. And now keep it like that, and then fold this bottom point up from here to here. And yes, you will fold through these flaps. And then fold this down to that point right there, and then unfold, and then fold the point back down to that point right there. And now you're going to fold from this point so that this edge hits the intersection of this crease and this crease, so right there. So basically, it's gonna look like this. So basically, it's gonna be like that. From this corner, and then fold that to this intersection. So like that. Okay. Now you're going to repeat the same thing here. So pretty much exact same thing. You're going to fold this up between the intersection of this crease and this crease, so right there. And you can also see it from the back, so yeah. And now, inside reverse fold this. And basically, you're going to valley fold on the crease we made a couple of steps ago. And then it's basically gonna go up to the middle. So, yeah, just like this. So like that. And now you're going to inside reverse fold on these creases. And basically the inside reverse fold is going to go along this edge. So it's going to go in. And then it's going to go so from inside here it's gonna be like this. So I'm just gonna fold that to the center. This goes along like that. So like that. And then same thing on this side. Just fold that. And now you kind of have this modified bird base. So yeah. Now what we're gonna do is reverse fold these. But yeah, this goes actually down through here. So like that. And now you're going to inside reverse fold this. Oh, never mind. You're going to petal fold this right here. So like that. Now you're going to reverse fold, or inside reverse fold. And it can be a little bit tight in here, but it's not super hard. Okay, so like that. That's one, and that's two. Okay, so like that. And now fold it in half. Oh no. Reverse fold this. right here. So like that. And like that. So now you can fold it in half. And now inside reverse fold, and I know it's going down. You're probably like, but isn't it supposed to go up? Yeah, we'll get there. And now you're going to swivel fold it in while thinning this neck. And yes, we saw this a lot in the wyvern video, so still, if you've seen that, which around like 30,000 people actually, so thank you for that, saw that, so yeah, you should probably be familiar, unless you're new. So if you're new, then welcome. And yeah, now inside reverse fold it up so that it just goes kind of straight, and now outside reverse fold it up so that it goes up right. And now it says to spread these layers while so you're basically going to inside reverse fold it while opening up those layers, and it should go down pretty far actually, so around here. And now what you're gonna do is spread the paper while crimping. So what that means is you're going to okay, that's as far as I can go. Going to open up these layers like that and press it like that. And now you're going to crimp it. So just like kind of push it in, and this should just kind of naturally crimp. And you're basically gonna do the same thing, except now it's gonna get pushed outwards. So like that. We're almost done. So that's the beak. It pretty much looks like a candy cane. So yeah. And now what we're gonna do is basically inside reverse fold this tail part down and then back up a little bit from the same tip so that it just goes a tiny bit down. So like that. And now, inside reverse fold these feet forward. So like that, and now you're going to basically squeeze these legs so that it looks more kind of bird feet-y. I don't know what to say. So yeah, it should be able to actually stand. So yeah, just test that out. Maybe widen these feet a little bit from the bottom, and just test if it can stand. And mine almost stood. And there you go. I got it to stand, but it kind of doesn't look like it's standing. It just kind of looks like it turned 2D, but yeah. That is the flamingo from our bird series. So yeah, bye-bye.
Thank you for coming to the paper playground. See you next time.